Welcome to this meditation for accepting failure. It is common to be hard on yourself when you fail, but let's look at failure in a different light today. Please close your eyes to enhance your experience. Take a nice deep breath in, and as you breathe out, say to yourself, I learn from my mistakes. Think of something that you failed recently. Allow the feelings of this failure to come alive in your body and mind. And know that this happened for a reason. Begin to identify how you can avoid this failure the next time. Use this as a growing experience. Accepting failure will build your confidence. Notice all of the things that you did wrong in this failure. And now, beside each one of these things, imagine what you could have done better. Use failure as a learning experience. You have made mistakes, and you're acknowledging them, and now it's time to move on. And maybe you failed today, and maybe you will fail in the future. There is no doubt about that. But you definitely learned something that will prepare you for success. Another important factor in accepting failure is to not compare yourself to others. The knowledge, skills, and abilities you have are your own. It isn't about measuring up to others. This is about measuring how far you have come in your life. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, understand that some things are simply out of your control. So let's focus on what you can control. Focus on what you can make better. What are some ways that you can improve? Know that each time you fail is a chance to learn and grow. What can you make better? accept that failure is actually a good thing. Without failure, we wouldn't know how to better ourselves. So next time you are feeling disappointed that you failed at something, know that this is only an opportunity. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, open your eyes.